Hi guys, welcome to our 7th grade world history. My name is April Williams and I am your teacher for this course. I want to show you really quick how we're going to utilize our textbook called Apex Learning. So what I've done is I've logged into our IA Campus page, and this should look kind of similar, right? You guys know that you can hit these little arrows and make them get smaller, which will be handy because we've got all these modules that are going to be ahead of where we're starting second semester, which is in the February map module. So as you can see, I've got some things published. Woohoo! So this is the work that we're going to be focusing on this February for our February map. So first things first, to access the textbook, you're going to click this link, Apex Learning, and I'm going to copy this into every month's module so you don't have to keep coming back up here into February. So to access the textbook, all you need to do is just click on this link, and it's going to take you to this other box that says, load a new window in Apex. So when you click that, it's going to take you to something that looks kind of similar to this. So this is my teacher version. So you're going to see all the classes that I teach here in Apex. You might have 1, 2, or 3 courses in Apex, and that's okay. The thing to pay attention to is you're going to want to click on 7th grade world history, and that will take you into our world history textbook. So the layout has changed in case you're, you used Apex last year. So it's a very cool layout. It looks very different. You can either click on these tiles and access the content, or you can click up here, unit 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So you can see that we're skipping some units, and that's okay. We're not going to go in order. I had to cut some stuff out just because this is only a 1 semester course. So we're going to jump around a little bit. But this is kind of a cool way to see all that we're going to be learning about in this class. So you're always going to want to start at the very first unit. So I'm just going to click in here to our very first unit. And to view something, you just click anywhere in that box, and then it's going to give you all kinds of information, things to read. Sometimes these pictures you can click on and it will bring up more information. So after you've read it, you can hit this continue button, and that will take you to the next kind of sets of lessons. Or there's another button that you can hit. So again, I'm just gonna click on here so that I can start seeing things. Apex has these key terms, key term worksheets that are really super helpful. I definitely recommend that you either download these or print these out because they can be a really big help when we're going through the lessons here. But the other thing that I really like about Apex is that it can be really interactive and it can speak the text to you. So if you hit this little icon up here in the corner, somebody's actually going to read you this text, which can be really nice if you're just tired of looking at a screen. The other cool thing is anything that's this blue is hyperlinked, which means if you hover over it and click it, it's going to give you definitions of words, or it's going to give you more information that's related to this study section. So there's a whole lot of stuff going on in Apex, and that can be a really good thing. There's places where you can check for your understanding, and there's also in some of these units. So here's the other place that you can click in Apex if you want to get back to where you want to go. I'm going to click ahead here because I really want to show you guys each one of these reading sections should have a study sheet. I'm not sure why I'm seeing it, but up here in the corner, sometimes you'll see a little icon and it looks like a bullseye, and that's a study sheet. You can click it, download it, print it, and then use that as you are going through the text. So another very cool feature of Apex. So the thing that I also want to draw your attention to is sometimes in here, we're going to see these practice items. So this is 1.3.4. You can't actually turn anything into Apex. So Apex is just a place for you to come and read and watch and learn and listen and all kinds of great stuff. But when it comes to actually doing work, the only thing that you're going to do here in Apex is you're going to do these little checkup quizzes. You're going to take these little, what they're called the quiz, they're just reading quizzes. And then you're going to take the CSTs, these computer scored tests or these unit tests. You'll do those things in Apex. These computer scored tests, you're actually going to take a screenshot of your score, and then you are going to upload them back here into IA Campus. So you're going to kind of be working in 2 platforms, so to speak. So you can see right here, here's an assignment that I want you to complete, and it's to upload your score for Unit 1 for Unit 1, so this computer scored test. So that's what this is right here. So after you've taken it, you're going to take a screenshot of it, you're going to come back here into World History, you're going to click this link and upload that assignment. Okay, but you can also see there's 2 other assignments here in class. So I want you to complete 114 and 134. So what this means is that in Apex, let me see if I can come back here and find it. So you're going to click on this practice assignment, and you're going to read all about it, okay? You can even click this little practice button if you want to download like a worksheet that might help you complete that assignment. You're more than welcome to do that. But when it comes to time to actually completing the work, then you're going to want to come back here again into IA Campus, and you're going to click on that assignment to open it. And what you'll see is that I have copied pretty much exactly what's in Apex here into our IA Campus page. So then when you're ready to complete this assignment or to take this quiz, you're just going to hit this button, and this is where you will actually do the work. Okay, so it'll be a little bit of back and forth, but I think I don't think you'll have any problem getting into the hang of things. And then, of course, if you have any questions, like always, send me an email or send me a text message or call me. I'm here to help you. Okay, so I hope this overview of how we're going to use Apex was helpful. Thanks, guys. See you in class soon.